The first sign was a snowplow blade in Connecticut, January 1986, striking something soft along the Housatonic River. Police were called. They found human remains scattered for miles, cut small, deliberate, impossible to mistake. The victim was Helle Crafts, a flight attendant who vanished after telling friends she feared her husband. Her husband was Richard Crafts, a respected pilot, calm, helpful, cooperative. He said she went to Denmark. Investigators found blood in the garage that had been scrubbed too clean. A freezer smelled of decay. A chainsaw was missing. A woodchipper had been rented the night she disappeared. Helle had been beaten for years. She was planning to leave. Divorce would expose the abuse, threaten custody, and destroy the image Richard protected. So he killed her in their home, dismembered her, and fed her body into a woodchipper to erase the truth. In 1989, he was convicted of murder and sentenced to 50 years. If someone can destroy a human being to protect a reputation, what does that say about how much truth is really worth?